Alright guys, sorry for ending the last video the way I did. I ran out of storage on my phone. But yeah, this is what I got done so far. I took my old number 41 clutch off finally, swapped it out with my Hilliard's Extreme Duty number 41 10-tooth sprocket clutch. Now I'm in the process of changing the pull cover from Mike's old Predator. And I actually did Mike's whole bike completely. Swapped the motor back from there to here. Did the chain, got some good tension. Put my old 41 clutch on there. Rechanged the exhaust. Remounted the Mikuni. Hooked up the throttle. Excellent throttle as always. And I've re-cleaned the whole garage. That's just a little dirt spot from when I was working on this dirty beast. Got some Mountain Dew Code Red. The old Briggs motor. Always loved her. And yeah, I guess now I'm just in the middle, or the mist of changing this over. And yeah, so that's what I got going on now. Then I'm going to be heading home, call it a day. It's around 4 o'clock now. I've been in here since around 12, 1 o'clock, not steady. I'll have to go get some lunch. Excuse me. And yeah, so like I said in the last video, we're supposed to be getting a big snowstorm, 8 to 16 inches. Can't wait, gonna get some more snowfall on Saturday and Sunday. And yeah, man, just gonna be a great weekend, hopefully, all in all. So yeah, that's really about it. I guess I won't have any other videos up until the riding day. All Mike's bike needs now is some gas line, which he's gonna purchase while he's on his voyage. And then we'll just need to tune the carb and we'll be good. And chain, like I said, is pretty decent. Mine's actually probably could use some more tightening. But yeah, it's good for now. His is a little tighter than mine. This gas tank is from my original motor, still brand new. Got some, this was the chain, number 41 chain that was connected to his jack shaft that I took that off. And yeah, like I said, it's been a pretty good day. Got a lot of work done. Got his fender right there. Make that shit happy again, because that shit was sad like that. You know, you can't have that. It's gotta be happy. His little racer, that means he wants to race. And yeah, so rate, comment, subscribe, and let me know what you guys are predicting to happen this weekend. We'll have some vids up for sure this time. Alright, guys.